Welcome to the AI Cloud Certification Overview. The AI Cloud Certification aims to equip developers and IT professionals with the skills to excel in cloud computing integrated with artificial intelligence. It covers advanced cloud infrastructure, AI model deployment, practical insights, and an interactive capstone project. Module 1 covers AI and the cloud, AI applications, certification modules, cloud, computing benefits, and the challenges of AI cloud integration. Module 2 introduces AI concepts, machine learning applications, common algorithms, and Python programming for AI. Module 3 covers the fundamentals of cloud computing, including service models, deployment models, and key cloud providers like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Module 4 covers the integration of AI services into cloud platforms, working with pre-built machine learning models and introducing cloud-based AI tools. Module 5 covers AI model development in the cloud, including building and training machine learning models, optimizing and evaluating models, and promoting collaborative AI development. Module 6 covers setting up and configuring cloud resources, scalability and performance considerations, and data storage and management in the cloud for AI. Module 7 covers strategies for deploying AI models in the cloud, integrating AI solutions with existing cloud-based applications, and considerations for using API. Module 8 covers future trends in AI and cloud integration, focusing on emerging AI trends impacting cloud integration. Module 9 includes a capstone project that focuses on machine learning for diabetes prediction, building and deploying an image classification web app using GCP AutoML Vision Edge, TensorFlow.js, and GCP App Engine, customizing a model for Google Cloud Platform, and deploying a machine learning model using Flosk. The project also covers future AI trends and cloud integration. Visit our website and enroll in the AI Cloud Certification today. The successful completion of the AI Cloud Certification offers participants the ability to combine cloud computing with artificial intelligence, enhancing their career profile while offering practical solutions.